One of the questions that we're getting about the new RingCentral phones is, how do I forward it? I'm going to lunch, or I'm going to be gone for a week and I want to forward it to somebody else in the office. It's pretty easy on the phone by just hitting forward. I think the thing that throws people is this menu. You'll just select always, and then it comes up with the number. Now, it will always remember the last number that you had forwarded your phone to. If you need to change this, just take the arrow key, that'll get rid of it. You can go 98444 and hit enable. Now you'll notice that here it shows with a little arrow, and up here that my phone is forwarded to 8444 if somebody were to call me. Now, when I'm back and I want to take that off, I just hit forward, I select always, and now disable. And I'm back to receiving calls on my RingCentral phone.